Hello everyone, myself Balram sir, and today I am here once again with you all to teach you IELTS GT Writing Task 1 Informal letter. This is also called personal letter. In this letter, what you learn, I will teach you in all Nepali so that you can understand complete and well. Now you can see, this is the basic structure which will tell you how to start, frame and close an informal letter. You should try to follow this while writing an informal letter. यसमा यो इन्फर्मल लेटर भनेको चाहिँ हामीले फ्यामिली र फ्रेन्ड्सलाई लेख्ने भएकोले गर्दा यसमा हामी एकदमै फर्मल वर्ड हुनुपर्छ भन्छ हैन यसमा हामीले इन्फर्मल वर्ड युज गर्न पाइन्छ Dear first name only, dear mom, dear father, dear uncle, dear brother, dear Raghav, dear Sumina, like this, dear Durga, anything we can write the first name only, not the surname. अनि फर्स्ट नेम लेखेपछि कमा गर्नुपर्छ Paragraph 1 भनेको हामीले लेटर किन लेखिरहेका छौं Mention the reason why you are writing to them. यो लेटर लेख्नुको कारण के छ भनेर हजुरले पर्पस अफ राइटिङ लेख्नु पर्छ त्यसपछि त्यहाँ दिएको छु मैले एक्जाम्पल त I am writing this letter to tell you how भनेको छ Paragraph 2 मा हामीले bullet point 1 Paragraph 3rd मा हामीले second bullet point 4th मा हामीले third bullet point लेखेर एन्डिङ गर्न सक्छौं लास्ट मा हामीले चाहिँ truly yours your best regards भन्न सक्छौं नि अनि यहाँ warm regards दिएर हामीले फर्स्ट नेम जब माथि हामी डियर अनि फर्स्ट नेम गर्यो नि यहाँ लास्ट मा पनि हामीले तपाईको फर्स्ट नेम चाहिन्छ यहाँ कसले लेटर लेखेको नि अनि यहाँ इन्फर्मल लेटर राइटिङ टपिक्सहरु हेर्नुपर्छ हामीले यो एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ हेर्नुस् त Informal letter writing topics. The topics could be as follow. Generally, you get these 4 topics which is very common for the writing informal letter in IELTS. Apologizing for a damage or inconvenience caused, inviting to your place, seeking means searching, advice on something, this is called recommending, okay? Recommending something means to recommend something from the others. So these 4 are the major topics for the IELTS GT letter writing. And also you can learn here the sample questions. Now let me provide you the question 1. To make you easy, I have to clarify the question. Sample 1. Last month you had a holiday overseas where you stayed with some friends भनेको छ गत महिना हजुरको साथीसँग हजुर विदेशमा हुनुहुन्थ्यो ओभरसी भनेको विदेशमा साथीहरुसँग है त they have just sent you some photos of your holidays अब त्यही साथीहरु जुन विदेशमा थिए उनीहरुले तपाईले त्यहाँ गएर गरेका कामहरुको फोटोहरु बल्ल पठाएका छन् Now the bullet points are here. Thank them for the photos and for the holiday. Explain why you didn't write earlier. तपाईले सुरुमै किन लेख्नु भएन भनेर एक्सप्लेन गर्नु Invite them to come and stay with you. तपाईसँगै आएर बस्नको लागि इन्भाइट गर्नु Now go ahead. Read this letter. यहाँ हेर्नुस् त म पढ्छु हजुर सुन्नुस् है Dear David and Susan भनेको छ नि के भनेको थियो क्वेशनमा your friends भनेको थियो नि त साथीहरु भएकोले गर्दा के भयो David and Susan Ram and Sam यदि एउटा मात्र साथी भएको के हुन्थ्यो फ्रेन्ड हुन्थ्यो नि त त्यो बेला डियर सुभाष गर्न पाउँथ्यो भने यहाँ दुईटा फ्रेन्ड हामी लेखेका छौं I hope this letter finds you well. I was overjoyed when I got your letter. Thank you so much for those kind words and the lovely photos of us. Sorry for the delay भनेको छ delay भनेको ढिलो हुनु In replying, we got so caught up in our unpacking, we didn't get time to check our mail until last week later भनेछ नि त हामी आफ्नो काममा व्यस्त भयौं भनेको छ In fact, we were thinking why don't you and David come here Sorry? Miss भयो है Yes Looking at these photos brings back so many memories and we cannot thank you enough for your warm hospitality भनेको चाहिँ स्वागत भनिन्छ यसको मिनिङ and the way you took out time to show us around to all the best spots भनेको छ स्पट्स भनेको ठाउँहरू लोकेसन हुन्छ नि साइट्सहरू John was also saying that we would have been lost in that country hadn't it been for you too अब जोन र यो जुन छ नि लेखिरहेको लेटर जोन र यो दुईटा व्यक्ति चाहिँ विदेश गएर घुम्न गएका थिए बुझ्नुभयो नि अनि त्यहाँ कसलाई भेटे डेभिड र सुसानलाई बुझ्नुभएको छ अब जोन र यो लेख्ने व्यक्ति चाहिँ सँगै गएका थिए साथीहरू दे आर द फ्रेन्ड्स लुक थ्याङ्क्स टु बोथ अफ यु वन्स अगेन भनेको छ In fact, we were thinking, why don't you and David come here to Dubai on a holiday? It will be really fun. We told you about the spare room. Spare भनेको खाली room. We have, so you are always welcome to stay with us. When you are here, you could always think about the making the trip भनेको journey हो नि during November to February. As the weather is lovely that time around भनेको छ दुबईको लागि चाहिँ टेम्परेचर राम्रो हुन्छ रे Please do consider coming here and once again thank you so much for the photos take care फायोना भनेको छ नि त राइट भनेपछि फायोना र जोन सँगै गएका थिए विदेशमा अनि कसलाई भेटे डेभिड र सुसानलाई अब नेक्स्ट लेटर पढ्नुस् त यो हजुरले मात्रै पढ्नुस् है Write a letter to your friend about a book that you have read recently. Include the following in your letter. तपाईले भर्खरै पढेको बुकको बारेमा साथीलाई लेटर लेख्नु भनेको छ. Describe the book, any book, मुना मदन, रामायण, महाभारत, any book के. Why do you want him or her to read it? Tell him or her how to get the book भनेको छ. इस बुकलाई कसरी पाउन सकिन्छ र किन पढ्ने भनेर दिएको छ For more details you have to subscribe my YouTube channel that is called Study with BR Sir and when you click the link below you will join with the YouTube channel to watch the full videos. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Have a good day.